Hi, Chris. You used the wrong bear. Don't worry, I fixed it for you.
Thanks, I guess. We should definitely prioritize streamlining the dev handoff.
Nice, that's really well put, Chris.
Yeah, I thought so. Is it voice activated? Need some AI here.
Chris, you good?
We'll be when this coffee pocket's smarter. I agree. A hybrid model makes the most sense.
What is he doing?
I think he's delegating tasks to himself.
I think our roadmap should have more AI tools. The more AI, the better.
Wait, is that a filter or is Chris even here?
Yeah, it's a filter. Still human, mostly.